Hello everyone, I'm going to read you a story today. It's called Shouty Arthur at the Seaside, and the author's name is Angie Morgan. Shouty Arthur at the Seaside. Arthur and Edith were going to the seaside. Arthur was very excited. "Will I like it at the seaside, Edith?" asked Arthur. "Yes, it's completely brilliant," said Edith. "There's ice creams, there's sandcastles, there's seagulls and shells, and boats, and paddling, and rock pools." "But you have to remember not to be shouty," said Edith. "People don't like it if you're too shouty." "I know, Edith," said Arthur. "I promise I'll be my very quietest." Do you think he's going to be quiet? Let's find out. Yay! Rah! Arthur had such a lovely time. He had such a good time that he forgot all about not being shouty. "Let's build a sandcastle," said Edith. "Yay!" said Shouty Arthur. So Edith built a sandcastle and Arthur dug a moat all around it. "Go, you old sandcastle, go!" Arthur had such a lovely time. That he forgot about not being shouty. "We could play pirates in the boat, Arthur," said Edith. Arthur loved playing pirates. "Yo ho ho!" shouted Pirate Arthur. "Go, you old pirates!" Arr! Arthur had such a lovely time that he forgot about not being shouty. "I'm a little bit fed up, Edith," said Arthur. "You said the seaside was brilliant, but it's not." "That's because you're being too shouty," said Edith. "Let's go and get some ice cream." So Arthur and Edith ate their ice creams, and all the people on the beach enjoyed the peace and quiet, eating ice creams. When they had finished their ice cream, Arthur asked, "What shall I do now?" Edith thought for a moment. "Why don't you see how fast you can run to those rocks and back?" So Arthur ran as fast as he could all the way to the rocks. When Arthur didn't come back, Edith went to go look for him. "Look, Edith!" shouted Arthur. "A rock pool!" "Wow," said Edith. "That amazing rock pool he's just found. I wonder what's inside it." Arthur and Edith looked at the rock pool for ages and ages. Then Edith said it was time to go. "There's an awful lot of sea," said Arthur. "I'm sure there wasn't that much a little while ago." "Oh dear," said Edith. "Arthur, could you be really shouty now, please?" So Arthur shouted his very loudest, and Edith shouted too. "Help!" When the rescue boat came, Arthur was so excited he thought he was going to burst. "You were right, Edith," said Arthur. "The seaside is completely brilliant." But you were wrong about being shouty. Sometimes it can be really useful. Arthur's Guide to Rock Pools. There are starfish, crabs, fish, small ones mostly, shrimp, mussels, sea anemones, seaweed, and barnacles. Wow, he found lots. The end. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Bye, everyone.